Guess what? It's snowing. I am so excited. It's so beautiful here in the mountains. So today I am going to be showing you all 5 hairstyles that you can wear with these beautiful passion twists. Let's get started. So for this first hairstyle, we're going to start off with a side part. You want an extra jumbo ponytail holder. You see me pulling up the back and the sides of my hair, leaving out a front section for the bangs. Go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail. And when you get a chance, check out these cool videos. My passion twist tutorial and my spring twist tutorial. Go ahead and take that front section, make a little swoop bang, okay? Wrap that around the front of the ponytail so you can conceal the ponytail holder. Go ahead and use some bobby pins just to secure it in place. Fluff it on out and you're all done. We're just going to continue on with our ponytail. So go ahead and wrap a ponytail holder at the end of your ponytail. And then a quick little trick, you're just going to tuck it on in at the bottom. That will create your bun. Take some bobby pins to secure it and get it in the right position. And look, you're already done. It's really that easy. Whew. Okay, so let's switch it up. Let's do a middle part this time. You're going to do a flat twist on both sides of your hair right in the front. Go ahead and switch over, doing the same thing to the other side. Twist all the way down, twist, twist, twist. After you're all done, just wrap it onto the back and hold it with a ponytail holder. Here I pulled the twist down to frame my face just a little bit. I love this hairstyle so much. It's like a little cute princess. I love this next hairstyle. It is so fun and so Afrocentric. So you start off with 2 ponytails and then you want to use a strand of hair and wrap it around, creating your own ties. I made 3 different ties, 3 different sections. Make sure you tie it pretty tight and repeat on the same side. And there you have it. Super cute hairstyle. For this next style, we're going to keep it classy. So you're just going to do one large flat twist from the top of your head going all the way back. And keep on pulling hair from one side to the other, just tucking it in, twisting it. And then I just took one loose strand to make a ponytail pretty much. Go ahead and just tuck that in on the side. This hairstyle would work perfectly for a job, an interview. Very classy, very put together.